Today I visited the victim family. Recently it was incident took place under Teiliamura PS at Chakmagat area. It's a minor girl, teenage girl. It is very unfortunate incident that minor girl was gang rape, which was reported, but still it is under investigation going on. So far, I have heard that the 3 culprit was arrested. They are under investigation. More 2 are on the run. Actually, it is very sad incident which our government always cannot tolerate. We try to give justice to her. Today myself I visited with my family and my party workers. I have seen the victim and he's very sad. He's under treatment, is going on. And from our government side, we are going to help her. And from a party level, we are going to give pressure to the authority to give a justice, proper justice to the minor girl. It is very unfortunate again. As you know, now is the situation is very worse. The lockdown is going on, and COVID-19 is also going on in our Tripura. In this situation, it is not expected to be happen like that. But still, we are trying our best to give a justice. And it is, we have strictly given order from the government side to take necessary action. And whoever involved in this incident should not be excused. It is not a question of party, question of religion, question of any tribe belonging. Therefore, I myself as a Minister of Tribal Welfare earnestly request to the police authority to take the action immediately so that the justice can be provided to the innocent girl. And I was also told that it's a minor girl under 18 age. Therefore, this is the right time to show the example. So example punishment should be given to the culprit. And I appeal to the society, to the government and to the people of this around to maintain calm and peace so that in future this incident should not take place again. This is my appeal to the people of this area. It is under Panbari area, under Mangyakami PS, under Mangyakami RD block, and under Teiliamura subdivision, Khwai district. Therefore, I appeal to the people of this area to maintain peace and tranquility. Both communities, both tribal and non-tribal, are living together here. And I appeal all the people, all the political parties, all the religious groups, all the communities to keep peace in this situation. Because we know this is not question of any tribe and any communities. The culprit is culprit. There are bad people or good people belong to any communities. Therefore, first of all, we want justice. Justice should be provided.